Welcome to Soul Hypno Vibe. This guided meditation is designed to activate your body's natural healing abilities, strengthen your immune system, and promote overall health and vitality. Before we begin, find a quiet, comfortable space where you can sit or lie down without distractions. Please do not listen to this session while driving or operating machinery. Give yourself permission to fully relax and let go during this time. Your body is capable of extraordinary things, and today we'll connect with its innate ability to heal and protect itself. Let's begin this journey to strength, health, and balance. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. Hold it for a moment and slowly exhale. With each breath, feel yourself settling into the present moment. Visualize roots growing from the soles of your feet, reaching deep into the earth's core. These roots are strong and steady, connecting you to the nurturing, grounding energy of the earth. With every inhale, imagine drawing this grounding energy up through your roots and into your body. Feel it rising through your legs, your torso, and your heart. With every exhale, release any tension, stress, or negative energy back into the earth, where it is neutralized and transformed into calm and peace. As you breathe, silently repeat to yourself, I am grounded, I am safe, I am connected to the earth. Feel this grounding energy anchoring you, creating a foundation of strength and balance. Now, shift your attention to the center of your chest, the space around your heart. Imagine a soft, radiant golden light glowing there. This light represents your body's natural healing energy, a source of vitality and protection that is always present within you. With each inhale, see this golden light expanding, growing brighter and more vibrant. It flows outward, filling your chest, spreading to your arms, your torso, and your legs. Feel it moving all the way down to your fingertips and toes, energizing and revitalizing every part of your body. Picture this light flowing through your bloodstream, strengthening your immune cells and enhancing their ability to protect and heal you. Visualize these cells working effortlessly, clearing away anything that doesn't serve your health. As you continue to breathe deeply, silently repeat these affirmations. My body is a healing force. Every cell in my body vibrates with strength and vitality. I trust in my body's ability to protect and heal itself. Stay with this visualization for a few moments, allowing the golden light to fill you completely. Imagine yourself glowing with health, radiating vitality from every cell. Now imagine yourself in a serene meadow, surrounded by soft sunlight and a gentle breeze. The air is crisp and fresh, carrying with it the scent of flowers and earth. In the center of the meadow, there's a crystal clear stream flowing gently. This stream represents purity and vitality. Walk slowly to the edge of the stream and kneel down. As you dip your hands into the cool, refreshing water, feel its energy infuse your body with life and strength. visualize yourself drinking from the stream. Each sip fills you with a deep sense of health and balance. You feel lighter, energized, and completely renewed. Take a moment to bask in this peaceful scene. Feel the sunlight warming your skin, the breeze brushing against your face, and the gentle hum of nature surrounding you. Know that this is your body's natural state, a state of balance, strength, and vitality. Now, bring your hands to your heart. Feel the steady rhythm of your heartbeat. A reminder of your body's incredible ability to sustain and protect you. Silently thank your body for everything it does for you. Feel a deep sense of gratitude for its resilience, its strength, and its ability to heal. Repeat these affirmations to yourself. I am grateful for my body's strength and vitality. Every day, my immune system grows stronger. I am healthy, vibrant, and whole. Visualize a protective shield of golden light surrounding your entire body. This shield is a barrier of positivity and health, keeping you safe and protected as you move through your day. Carry this shield with you, knowing that it is always there, supporting and protecting you. It's time to return to the present moment. Slowly bring your awareness back to your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes, feeling the surface beneath you. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, feel grounded, energized, and at peace. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, carrying this sense of strength and well-being with you into your day. Thank you for joining me today on Soul Hypno Vibe. Remember, your body is your greatest ally, and it has the power to heal and protect you. If you enjoyed this session, please like, share, and subscribe to Soul Hypno Vibe for more meditations like this. Explore the links in the description to support my work and connect further. Wishing you health, vitality, and peace.